Okay, what's up guys? I'm just gonna get straight to it. So look, I've been deep in crypto for a few years, and I'm not talking about like casually messing around with it. And recently something shifted. Like the AI technology has been developing in a way that I genuinely did not expect, and it's been hard to look away from. So today I'm just showing you exactly what I've been running. No fluff, no theory, just real results. Okay, so here's the AI app. I'm pressing Launch Bot right here. Okay, it's open, and the first thing it's asking me to set is the trading pair. Worth knowing here, this bot operates across 18 exchanges simultaneously, which is why the coin options are actually pretty wide. I'm going Bitcoin today, keeps the walkthrough clean and easy to follow. Okay, selecting live mode here, and I need to add my receiving address, so I'm flipping over to my wallet to grab that, copying the address, jumping back here, and pasting it. All right, that's in. Next is capital allocation. I'm setting mine to, right around there. That number's good. And that flows right into risk level, which is basically just telling the bot how aggressive it's allowed to get, where the ceiling on risky behavior is. And then arbitrage strategy. This is the actual operating logic the AI follows, the specific methodology it uses to hunt down and act on price discrepancies across all those exchanges. So, okay, everything checks out. I'm happy with this setup. Moving on. So now the deposit screen's up, and one thing worth flagging here, you're not locked into depositing Bitcoin specifically. You can send in whatever coin you want right now, and they'll handle the conversion on their end before the session starts. I'm just grabbing what's available for me right now. Okay, submitted. Pressing I have sent. And good, it's live. Dashboard is right here. Trade count, win rate, average spread, charts running in real time. Absolutely clean layout. And now it's just we sit back and the system work. All right, so hitting stop and withdraw right now. Good, session is stopped. And here's the full summary. Total runtime, number of trades that executed, which strategy was running, the win rate, and the final profit after the platform fees already been pulled out. That last number is what I came here to see. Okay, tapping withdraw. And now it's just processing. Should clear up pretty quickly. And actually, while that's moving, this is genuinely the right moment to get into what actually matters. So I've spent the last few years not just using platforms, but genuinely stress testing them. And in that time, I've stumbled into a lot of scam projects. And what gets me every single time is where I find them. It's not some sketchy dark corner of the internet. These things are just embedded right into the normal information flow of this space, sitting right next to the real stuff, looking almost identical to it. And that's exactly what makes it so dangerous. And the problem is only getting harder because everything's moving so fast right now. The security landscape in crypto has always been rough, but it's accelerating. And AI is a big part of that on both sides. Like the same technology that makes legitimate platforms more powerful is making convincing fakes easier and cheaper to build. So the gap between something real and something that just looks real is narrowing fast. And the burden of figuring out which is increasingly falling on you as a user. And so here's specifically where I'm at with this platform. I've been running it for a few weeks now, and not just casually. I've done over 19 sessions, pushed it across pretty much the full range of supported tokens, varied the allocation sizes, switched up the strategies. Like I've been deliberately methodical about it because that's the only way to actually find out if something holds up. And every single time, it's behaved exactly the way it's supposed to. Withdrawals go through clean, the stats track consistently, nothing weird has ever surfaced. And given everything I just told you about my experience in this space, that kind of consistency is not something I take for granted. So if you want to go test it yourself, link is in the description, pinned in the comments. So thanks for watching. Peace.